Today I'm showing you how to turn on Google Reading Mode on your Android phone so you can have text read aloud to you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Search for Reading Mode. Tap the search bar at the top and type Reading Mode. Press Search on your keyboard. Step 3. Find Official App. In the search results, look for Reading Mode by Google LLC. Make sure you see Google LLC as the developer to ensure you're installing the authentic official app. Tap on it. Step 4. Install the app. Tap the blue Install button. Wait a few seconds for the download and installation to complete. The app is small and should install quickly. Step 5. Open Reading Mode. Once installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Reading Mode app for the first time. Step 7. Initial Setup. The app will guide you to enable it in your phone's accessibility settings. Tap Go to Settings or manually open Settings, then go to Accessibility. Step 8. Find Installed Apps. In Accessibility Settings, scroll down and look for Installed Apps, Downloaded Apps, or Installed Services. Tap on it. Step 9. Enable Reading Mode. Find Reading Mode in the list of installed accessibility apps. Tap on it. Step 10. Turn on Reading Mode shortcut. Toggle on the switch next to Reading Mode shortcut or use Reading Mode. A permission pop-up appears. Tap Allow to grant necessary permissions for the app to function. Step 11. Learn the activation gesture. Reading Mode is activated by holding both the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. This creates a quick shortcut to activate Reading Mode anytime. Or you will simply have a Reading Mode icon on your quick settings like I did in mine. Step 12. Test Reading Mode. Open any app with text, a web browser, article, email, or document. Swipe down to access your quick settings and locate the Reading Mode icon. Then simply press on it. Step 13. Start reading. When Reading Mode activates for the first time, it may show a brief tutorial. Tap Next through the screens, then tap Done. Now tap the play button, and Reading Mode will begin reading the text on your screen aloud using text-to-speech. Exiting Reading Mode. To exit, tap the pause button and then swipe down. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Google Reading Mode on your Android device and can now have any text read aloud to you with a simple button press.